Welcome everyone, and today video we are looking for the top 8 best drones you can buy this year 2020. Links of the product mentioned in the video description.
Unique and specialized jobs demand a device that's not only by your side, but also revolutionizes the way you work. The Mavic 2 Enterprise is your new ally in the sky. Its compact design makes it ready when you are, with an advanced tool set that empowers you to overcome any challenge safely and efficiently. Pilots of the Mavic 2 Enterprise can extend their vision to view scenarios in greater detail without putting themselves in harm's way. Whether it's getting a broad overview of your entire worksite or a close-up view to identify malfunctioning equipment, the Mavic 2 Enterprise has you covered. With expansive accessories that let you direct team members and operate in more scenarios than ever before.
This is a Mesa Fire Medical Department. Remain calm, help is on the way.
There's been a break-in
on the Lower East Side.
The Mavic 2 Enterprise is incredibly intuitive to fly right from your first flight. Precise controls and additional safety features make even the newest pilot feel like a seasoned professional. Obstacle sensors keep safety in mind without sacrificing its enhanced power. This is a tool for any operation with password protection securing critical data and GPS timestamping for identifying precise location and time information at a moment's notice. New tools demand new infrastructure, so we've packed the Mavic 2 Enterprise with the latest tech to update pilots on its surrounding airspace and how to avoid potential hazards while in the air. The Mavic 2 Enterprise is the next great tool that will elevate your inner strength, expand your capability, and power your every move, anytime, anywhere.
in JPEG or RAW format. Simply connect your mobile device to the Phantom and turn your camera into a live bird's eye view from the sky. This real-time HD view runs on built-in Wi-Fi, enabling you to see everything, take pictures and video instantly, and access a wealth of other features as you fly over half a mile away. The Phantom 3 Standards motors have been upgraded to be even more efficient, giving you up to 25 minutes of flight time with each battery. Built-in GPS and state-of-the-art intelligent flight systems combine to give you peace of mind as you fly. With the Phantom's auto-hover capabilities and return to home making every time you use it easy and safe.
We're also very excited to announce intelligent flight modes. Follow Me mode allows the Phantom to autonomously follow you wherever you go. point of interest tells your Phantom to do perfect circles around a set point while keeping your camera steady and pointed at the subject.
Waypoints is like having a computer-assisted co-pilot.
Set flight points on a map, including altitude and speed, and then hit go. The Phantom automatically flies for you as you control the camera to get that perfect shot. All of this means you can now easily execute dynamic aerial shots like a seasoned pro.
There are times in your life that you want to remember forever. Using the Phantom 3 standard makes those moments absolutely unforgettable. It's the future of photography and connecting yourself with the world.
The new Mavic Air is a marvel of engineering and design. An ultra-portable device that stretches the boundaries of what's possible for a drone this size. To do this, we had to reimagine the most efficient design possible. Each and every aspect has been refined and optimized, from its radical, foldable design down to every line and polished curve. The result is a powerfully creative tool in a dramatically reduced form factor. The Mavic Air has a presence that oozes style and geometric elegance. Arms and propellers sit flush against its slender aerodynamic frame. It is the most portable drone to house a 3-axis mechanical gimbal. Protected by the chassis, the newly designed gimbal system is suspended from a set of dampeners in a 3-dimensional formation, which dramatically reduces vibration for steadier shots. For greater stability in flight, we've developed a new dual hinge design for the arms. The foldable landing gears are positioned on the tips of the arms. Hidden inside are omnidirectional antennas that are purposely placed away from the body to provide more extensive signal coverage for optimal transmission. The Mavic Air has 7 onboard cameras that are reinforced by durable magnesium alloy brackets, offering a more robust framework for better performance. Processing data from this many sensors allows the Mavic Air to read the environment with a greater attention to detail, providing better obstacle avoidance and more accurate real-time positioning. For a drone this small and this powerful, heat dissipation needs to be handled efficiently. Air is drawn in from behind the gimbal and through the heatsink, with excess heat expelled from vents on the back. To achieve such an intricate and bold design, we had to be meticulous about our manufacturing process. Going to such extremes was the only way to deliver a product that met our high-quality standards in both form and function. As an unrivaled piece of engineering, the Mavic Air is a new milestone in flight performance, functionality, and design. An ultra-portable smart drone that is bound to turn people's imaginations into reality.
ANAFI is a flying camera that contains cutting-edge photography software and hardware. An integrated camera uses a latest generation sensor for spectacular 4K HDR videos and 21 megapixel photos. HDR adds a far more dynamic range to the image. It's ideal for filming a sunset or a bright blue sky with exposed backdrops. ANAFI is the only drone on the market able to do this. It's a camera capable of taking unique photos and videos that just aren't possible with any other drone in the same category. The camera tilts from -90 to +90 degrees vertically and takes shots from all angles. The camera is equipped with a wide-angle lens featuring a 110-degree diagonal field of view. The optic was specifically designed to limit lens flare in all lighting conditions.
We integrated an up to 2 times lossless digital zoom and an up to 3 times standard digital zoom. The zoom led us to create a brand new smart drone called Dolly Zoom, better known as the famous vertigo effect.
Thanks for watching. Product buying link was given in the description, and for more videos please like, comment and share with your friends and press the bell icon button for more videos.